What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It is JTLG Boys here. Now I'm going to be unboxing some toy that I got. I've got some Mountain Dew right here. So I'm going to be unboxing the Fidget Cube. I've seen a lot of people have it, so yeah, I'm going to see what it's like. I've got the black and red one. There it is. In a tiny thing. So what you do is this is click, this is spin, this is glide, this is flip, this is to spin, and this is to breathe. Okay, so it's really cool. Got it here. So what I do sometimes, I used to have an old one, but it didn't work properly. I had a fidget spinner instead of a fidget cube, but that was back in like 2013 when I didn't have it on my YouTube channel. So I can just like click it like this and stuff. So I can do everything. It's like it's a car. You know, you can do like this and stuff. See, this is every ant on it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video on the fidget cube, and see you guys later. Goodbye.